Alright guys, about 11:15. Whoa, that's slick. About 11:15, and although they said we weren't going to get any accumulation, I don't know about y'all, but I call that accumulation. Looks like my truck out there is the one that's got the least amount on it. Hopefully you can see it falling. They're good sized flakes, and Andre called me and said that they're going to shut down the shop about 2 o'clock. And this stuff is really wet. It's more of a sleet here. Maybe you can see it bouncing, but it's not. You can see it hitting my sleeve, hopefully. And it's not snow right now. That's all sleet. The ground is slick. See? Hopefully you can see that. A lot of it is sleet falling as opposed to the snow. And maybe you can see it hitting my hat. But it's really going to get bad tonight. I just want to apologize for the quality of these videos, because I don't know where my camcorder is since we've been in this apartment. I don't know where nothing is, so I'll keep some videos coming to let y'all know how things are going. See ya!